Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name's Bobby Waldron and welcome to the February Genessis Models show. Now I am going to start this show off with the Royal Air Force Museum. I'm going to start this off because as you can see from their website, they are asking for things like donations and stuff because sadly, as you all know, with COVID-19, places like this have had to close. And it is a charitable organisation. They do rely on people's administration fees when they go to view these aircraft in the museum. And obviously because things like this have closed, you know, they do seem to be struggling a little bit, and I just wanted to bring this attention to you. I mean, you know, Genessis Models isn't being paid to advertise this or anything, but it's just something that I think we can all agree that when COVID-19 does come to an end, we want places like this to still be open. So they are asking things like you can make a donation, you can adopt an artifact, adopt an artifact, you can use their store. I mean, in their store they've got all sorts of kind of really cool things, and you know, just buying from their store can help out as well. They do have things like the Lancaster Challenge. You know, go to their website and check that out a little bit more. You can just straight up make a donation, which will also help them out. Or even you could just share this on, you know, anywhere you'd like, Facebook, all those kind of places, and maybe by just sharing, somebody else might make a donation. So hopefully you'll get in on board on this and just bring a bit of awareness to these kind of things, so as we can still love and enjoy these aircraft that we see at RAF Cosford and in London. So let's get on with the show. Hello there, I thought I'd just quickly sort of throw you that what's going on with RAF Cosford and the London Museum. That was just an email. I got just an automated email, and I just thought I'd sort of help promote that a little bit, because I have been to RAF Cosford and it is really cool, and I know a lot of you have as well, and it's a really nice museum, and I just really don't want to see that go down because of COVID-19. So I just wanted to throw that out there, and hopefully all you guys will get on board and help them out. But yeah, let's move along with the show. And you know, last month we had our competition, which we've started doing this new thing where, you know, if you win, you can buy anything. You can get £40 off any single kit off in the Genessis Model store, and if you are a subscribing member, that goes up to £75 off any single kit in the Genessis Model store. So last month we had that competition, and after doing the usual random number generation program, I came to Deadly Duck. So congratulations, you Deadly Duck, you are our winner. All you got to do is give me an email with your mailing address and which single kit you would like from the Genessis Model store, and also just let me know if you're a subscribing member or not, to see what price range you can have from the Genessis Model store. So congratulations, you Deadly Duck, you're our winner. Just stay tuned and we'll have this month's competition coming up later in the show. But just a quick little mention, the new website is coming along. We are getting closer. I've been working around the clock, right? Things are really sort of getting really sort of intense work-wise to get this ready. The people who are building it, you know, they're getting closer and closer. I am having to work a lot of extra hours to get the content up, right? I've almost got all the store products on the new website. They're all almost up, which is taking a little bit longer because we are going about it a little bit more professional and doing it better, more pictures, better descriptions, you know, putting a lot more data into this new website so everything works better and more professional. That's almost done, that side of it. Then I've got the massive task, which I will be starting in February, the massive task of getting the 1,000 videos that we have here at Genessis Models to be put over onto the new website. So I'm going to be working loads and loads of hours to get that done, because as you can imagine, you know, putting 10 years worth of work, 1,000 videos onto a new website is going to take a lot of time. So I will do my best to get as many videos out as I can, but you know, might not appear like there's a lot going on the surface of Genessis Models, but we are working really hard to get this new website up and running. So lots of things going on behind the scenes. I I'd like to give you a launch date. We are getting close, but I don't want to sort of promise you something just yet. But you know, it is coming soon, maybe a month or two or something. But you know, I don't want to make promises, but it's getting close. And when it does get closer, we'll have loads of sort of videos to guide you through into the new website. So just kind of keep your eyes and ears open for what's going to come there. You'll see probably on YouTube, on the website and the forums, you know, what's going to be happening and coming, and I'll let you know. So let's move on and let's take a look at the Blitz group build that we have going on the Genessis Models forum. So now let's look at our group build that we've got going on the Genessis Models forum, the Blitz group build. This is basically just started, and already we have Remy here, who has already finished his really nice piece here, which is Evacuation of the Children, 1/35 scale. And as you can see already, really nice little bit of a diorama, you know, nice little size, really sort of nicely depicting, you know, how children had to be like sent away because of the Blitz. And we've got some really nice figures here, really well painted, really nice to see this all nice and finished so quick and so early, and a nice bit of photography just at the end there to really sort of give it that old sort of 1940s look. And just to show you one or two others that are also building away here, we have Billbook. He's building, I do believe this is a HE111 H6 in a very small 1:144 scale, which is already started on the cockpit, just sorting out a few little what looks like ejector pin marks and moving along with that. Got some nice photo etch to go with it as well. As you can see, some nice pictures there just showing it off if anyone's interested in doing this kind of kit and buying these kind of aftermarket parts is quite good. And he's just showing a couple of problems he's got to deal with. We also have Sebastian here. He is also doing a HE111 H6. That is was it by ICM? It's the 1/48 scale, and he's gone nuts with some photo etch. And what I like about this one is, as you can see, you know, photo etch, you can buy some really nice kits, some nice sets, and you know, in the right hands can look amazing, as we can see from these pictures. Really nice, amazing bits of photo etching here, which is really going to set this off to be a really professional build. So want to look out for, and don't worry, you know, this group build has just started. We've still probably got a good 5 months, so to get in on it, just, you know, get started. You can just go to the build section, start up your own post, and you know, just start showing pictures of your work to get in to be entered. And we've got some prizes, and we've got what, trophies and everything at the end for people to win if they get picked. And we've got some good interesting stuff, anything basically that is in and around the Blitz, both diorama, aircraft, figures, you know, you name it. If it's got something to do with the Blitz, you can do it. So that's just a couple of what people have been building so far for the Blitz group build. So there's the Blitz group build, looking really good. Like to see more of you guys get involved and get in on board on that. Really cool to see somebody actually finish already. Plenty of time for more people to get in on that. I really like to see more people in and doing that. You know, we have got some really cool prizes. You know, you can get all sorts of stuff from the store and everything with the trophies and all sorts of goodies. So good to do that, especially if you're already doing something that's similar to the Blitz. Why not kind of whacking in the group build section rather than the normal build sections? You may as well. So that's the group build. The new competition for January 2021, sorry, it's not January, it's February this month. Yeah, so it's February 2021 competition. Just like with Deadly Duck, the winner who gets announced next month will win any single kit from the Genessis Model Store up to a value of £40, unless you're a subscribing member, and so it goes up to £75. Right, so as always, to be in it to win it, just go to Genessis Model Forum, and in the competition section for February 2021, just create any just make any post you want, saying anything, count me in, something to that effect. Feedback's always a good one. I always like to read the feedback and sort of get to know what you guys want to direct Genesis models or anything, but any kind of post, just saying count me in it will just do, and you are simply entered, and I'll announce the winner next month in the next Genesis models show. Said we're coming to the end of the show here. Hopefully you're going to enjoy over the month all the builds that we've got going on as well, and all the videos we're doing, inbox reviews. You know, we've got Leopard, we've got Tempest, you know, HMS Victory. Admittedly, I've kind of let that one slide a bit because things have been getting busy, but I do want to sort of get a video out for that, as well as all the other videos and the tutorials. I'm liking the tutorials that we've sort of been bringing back a bit, but apart from that, hopefully you are enjoying all the videos, and hopefully you're going to enjoy the videos that have come to this month, as well as when the new website comes. So hopefully you've enjoyed, but until next time, as always, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll see you around.